cheeseburgers. Cheeseburgers. Rubble, rubble. Rubble, rubble. Rubble, rubble. Thanks.
Hot Wheels wins again!
Now with every Happy Meal you buy at McDonald's, you can get one of 8 totally cool California custom Hot Wheels cars.
Awesome!
Or a Barbie miniature.
Barbie, you're the skating star.
McDonald's Happy Meal, now with Hot Wheels or Barbie.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing Hot Wheels cars from McDonald's 1991 promotion. And this video will feature all 8 vehicles. Now this is the United States. I'm not sure if they were different abroad, but we will have all 8 cars here today. New, old, stock, and baggies. And I will open up each one and we will check them out on the turntable. I also have 2 new, old, stock boxes. Happy Meal boxes, that is. And this should be a fun one. So we'll go ahead here and take a look at them. First up, we'll take a look at the box graphics. This is the first box. This way you guys can pause it if you want to read what's on there. Some pretty cool illustrations. Some of you have maybe never seen these before. And this one here, of course, features all 8 vehicles, which was 257 Chevys, 2 Camaros, 2 Corvettes, and 2 Thunderbirds. Here's the second box I have. And these are a California Custom Series. Okay, here we have the 257 Chevys. They were listed as car number 5 and car number 1 originally. And of course one is yellow and one is white. The decos on the side are slightly different. I actually thought they were the same originally, but they are different. And they are very 1990, that is for sure. You got your kind of like the Pro Street look, very flashy graphics to say the least. Very childlike, but you know, kids love flashy colors like that. And we of course have, they are metal with plastic, very odd plastic bases. Are almost like a really cheap looking gray plastic base. It says 1978 on the bottom, Malaysia. Doesn't mean that's when they were made, obviously, but the base is dated 78. Same with that one. So that's car number 1 and car number 5 out of the 8. 57 Chevy. These of course have the dark black plastic window which is connected to that scoop, so you can't see inside or anything with them. Very basic is a good word for it for these Happy Meals cars, but they're definitely nicer than this is probably one of the last years I think of the Hot Wheels cars that were offered by McDonald's, Happy Meals, and any of their cars. I think these were the nicest. After that they started getting really, I think they went to all plastic and just really goofy ones. That's the only reason why I featured the 1991 collection. So we'll move on to the next two. Alright, here we have car number 2 and car number 6 out of the 8. These are both 1963 Corvette Stingrays. One is in obviously lime green with a yellow interior, and the other is gloss black with a yellow interior. Both feature clear glass, and both are, once again, have the light gray plastic bases, dated 1979. Yeah, 1979. Because they're pretty much are the high rakers, I believe. I think is that the same casting as the high raker Corvette. And when I first saw these, I actually thought the rear ends jacked up on them, but they don't. They're just, everything's just solid. But these aren't too bad. The gloss black one's actually not too bad, but both of them feature some pretty wild, gaudy, tacky graphics. But like I said, this is 1990/91 after all, so you're gonna have the that tacky look there. So there you go. Quick look at cars number 2 and car number 6. So we'll move on to the next two. The next two are both 57, I believe they're both 57 Ford Thunderbirds. They are in this series, I should say it's number 3 and number 7 of the 8. And it looks like the green one there, the turquoise one, or mint green I guess you want to call it, that is a light blue glass. And it looks like the red one actually has, yeah, the red one actually has red glass. I hadn't really noticed that before, but it's definitely got red glass in it. Both are, of course, metal with the plastic bases. I don't know what's the bottom dated. I'm sure they're Malaysia as well. 1977, which doesn't mean anything, obviously, but very basic. But you got your Heartbeat of America strobe there on the red one, which was, you want a snapshot of 19 late 80s, early 90s. Right there it is. I remember that heartbeat stripe being on everything, and everything automotive related being sold at the time had a heartbeat stripe. So there you go. There is the T-Birds. We'll move on to the next ones. For the last two, we have the 1981, I believe is what that is. 1981 Camaro, something like that. It's a early Camaro. And they are number 4 and number 8 out of the 8 of the California Custom Series. And they are flashy. Now look at the purple one. That's definitely something of the Barney time period there. And you got the wild graphics on the side. That one is quite interesting, to say the least. The orange one is the better, I think, probably could possibly be the best one out of the 8, I think, is the orange one. And it's got the Pro Street style graphics on. It's actually not that bad. It's semi-tolerable compared to some of the other ones. But both have black plastic glass. And let's check out the bottoms here, the base. Oh, they have black. Out of all of them, at least they have black plastic base. And that is dated, what, 82? Malaysia. Pretty cheesy. It's interesting how, see the big chunky skid plate things. I don't know what the deal is with those things there. It's almost like huge leaf springs or something. It's pretty goofy. I don't think none of the others have that. It's very odd. I don't think I've ever seen another Hot Wheels car with that big chunky flat 4 pads on the bottom. Really odd. But there you go. I say the orange one's my favorite out of all of them. You guys let me know down below which is your favorite out of the 8. And keep on rocking, man. So there you go. That is the 8 from 1991's United States McDonald's Happy Meal Premium Cars. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye now. Also, as a bonus, I forgot to show this. Each one of the cars came with this coupon here, and it says save $2 on any Hot Wheels purchase of $10 or more, and it's dated 1990 at the bottom. Coupon expires 3/31 of 1992, and this would have it says California Custom, and then the flag had the number of 5, and then inside here it says Speed Points Club. I'll let you guys, you could pause it and check that out. Get my hand out of the way. Be kind of cool to have that jacket now. I'm sure they go for a lot of money. And what's the other thing? A little television set. Pretty interesting, huh? Pretty wild stuff. Order more cool things now. Alright, thanks a lot everyone for watching and supporting the channel. Be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit the bell for the latest updates and notifications and whatnot. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. That was this was the bonus shot thingamajig because I forgot to do it earlier. So thanks again everyone, and I'll see you soon. Alright, bye now.